Some crypto enthusiasts might not be fans of Charles Hoskinson. However, it is uncalled for to ignore the 5-year evolution that Cardano has undergone. And when looking closely at Cardano, it can appear that it has reached the peak. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano and CEO of Input Output Worldwide, determined that Cardano ADA was designed to be resilient in such a situation in reaction to the market trend in May. A good project, in his opinion, is constructed to last. Cardano was founded with a focus on quality rather than a hasty attempt to outpace the competition. There is no denying that the historical trajectory of Bitcoin has been punctuated by bull runs and dramatic losses, but Hoskinson pointed out that these occurrences have only served to strengthen the asset over time. While contrasting Cardano to Bitcoin, he asserted that the Cardano community is expanding and its user base is expanding quickly in terms of quality. Charles Hoskinson stated in a YouTube video that Cardano is more robust than it has ever been in the project's history. As anticipated, neither the media prices nor the mood in the cryptocurrency market have shown any evidence of the strength. Instead, records reflect fear and avarice. In addition, no attention is placed on fundamentals. Basic principles once more. I have always said that is not going to be the first to market, and those who exhibit stability and resilience in the bad times that survive, he said. If you are building something for everyone, and you are building it to less and build it well, even if it takes a little bit more money and a little bit more time again and again. Additionally, he pointed out that the market cycles and fair weather individuals would be drowned. And the actual individuals who stick around will be around for a while. It is evident that Cardano has a flawless reputation in the cryptocurrency market because to the founding team's standards and philosophy. No doubt. Although the Cardano way of approach is modest and steady, it has affected market-speaking volumes. It's important to keep in mind that, despite the fact that the majority of the Ethereum community disapproved of Hoskinson, he was incredibly influential in the creation of the initial coin offering. Charles Hoskinson had a significant role in the early development of Ethereum, but his problem started when he urged that the foundation be controlled by a for-profit corporation. Those who were celebrating his abrupt departure from the Ethereum community did not respond favorably to this tactic. However, this exit gave rise to one of the Ethereum network's top competitors right now. Many investors have fallen in love with and are interested in Cardano. And according to Dan Gormandello, the founder of Crypto Capital Venture and a crypto expert, many investors have started to leave the Ethereum network and switch to Cardano. Even though they are seen as tortoise moves that support his opinions, the development team remains with the best tactics. Charles Hoskinson recently stated on Twitter that the theory developers needed to mature because they were still using 2014 technology. These comments turned into an online argument with Ethereum on Twitter. Developers. They were chastised by Hoskinson for neglecting Ouroboros. I've always questioned why the Ethereum community is so preoccupied with my 6 months there in 2014, but after the merge, everything fell into place. Simply said, they appear to truly enjoy 2014 technology and activities. Putting love aside, folks truly need to mature and progress. Fair game, he declared. For the past 5 years, according to Hoskinson, Ethereum has disregarded Ouroboros, and the Ethereum core community despises Cardano. According to him, the Cardano community has been seen by the Ethereum community as being subservient to a founder who is evil, psychopathic, incompetent, pathologically lying, and who somehow managed to stumble onto stolen success. But as soon as the rest of the world awakens, we'll be in jail. What do you think of these assertions, though? Evidently, Cardano is seen by Ethereum as a large threat and a barrier to its existence. These absurd assertions have prevented the Cardano network from experiencing widespread adoption, nevertheless. Cryptocurrency is not required for Cardano to succeed. Adoption has not yet reached a widespread level. Without stealing a single user from Bitcoin or Ethereum, we can expand to 1 billion users, added he. The CEO of Input and Output has also consistently expressed his dedication to and support for Cardano. ADA, Hoskinson stuck to his position and said that Cardano still represents his greatest passion when a renowned developer said that the Cardano testnet was severely damaged. He continued by saying that he was staying put and that he had a firm belief in Cardano's ability to significantly alter the course of billions of people's lives. It may sound amazing, but Cardano is already a success thanks to Hoskinson's unwavering support and promotion. Currently, the cryptocurrency industry is dealing with a slaughter that has driven down prices and slowed the rise of numerous cryptocurrencies. But the creator of Cardano seems unconcerned. He stated in a tweet that the markets are no longer related to reality, which is a universal fact concerning cryptocurrencies. Additionally, investors, including ADA, are only interested in the cryptocurrency price. Cardano, like with numerous other blockchains, has never been stronger despite the storms that have plagued the cryptocurrency market. Markets' disconnection from reality is a universal truth concerning cryptocurrencies. Cardano is at its strongest point ever, and the industry as a whole has many other projects that are doing well. You do not see that mirrored in order to read something. A coin's price does not accurately reflect the macro elements that support it, according to him, but the community does not notice this since it just wants rapid gains. He claimed that macro factors always went out. Additionally, this fascinating cryptocurrency with a founder who is a dog has beaten all odds of being kept secret. Instead of bullish elements and replies, it is time to take over Ethereum, and this accomplishment should unquestionably be the season's tagline. Cardano is history. In order to promote the ecosystem's growth over the following 3 years, Cardano Development Lab and Mergo will invest $200 million, the study states. Really, it is fantastic news. The founder, Kyoko Dama, announced the news on the sidelines of the ongoing Token 2049 conference. These funds will be given to projects that directly utilize Cardano as well as projects from other networks that create products that incorporate Cardano network, according to Kodama, who also stated that investments in Africa will receive a portion of the $100 million under Merkel's African Investment Initiative. You also know that the adoption of crypto lending and borrowing services intended for everyday use as opposed to speculation was a major development driver in the area. Even though Kodama acknowledged that Cardano network growth has been rather moderate in comparison to other networks, he was confident that the network now had the infrastructure needed to thrive and expand safely in the years to come. The inclusion of the ADA coin has also been confirmed by the Tokyo-based cryptocurrency trading platform BitBank. Agus, Polkadot, and Dogecoin now have bank support. In fact, Bitpoint was the first Japanese cryptocurrency to offer support for Cardano ADA in August of last year. Prior to that, Japanese cryptocurrency investors could only trade the token on overseas platforms. Early in February, this division of the exchange known as Bitcoin Pro gained support for Cardano. The common name for Cardano was Japanese Ethereum. The initial coin offering was initially undertaken with a primary focus on the Japanese market and his efforts to enhance the blockchain for decentralized finance. In the midst of the excitement surrounding the recently launched Vessel hard fork, Charles Hoskinson discussed with Cardano his vision of securing an authorized ADA wallet. On September 28 in a cast video, Cardano, with the goal of doing away with the concept of the original wallet and creating guidelines for developers to follow when developing certified wallets, standards were developed. Hoskinson underlined that the community as a whole can use the established norms as a baseline in creating a useful ADA wallet. We want to replace the idea of an official wallet entirely with the concept of a certified wallet as opposed to an uncertified one. Additionally, you can include functional and non-functional requirements within the certification standards, such as benchmarking and performance requirements for the user experience. Building some protocols to speed things up would be pretty awesome. Hoskinson made the following statement: "It's still early days for all cryptocurrencies, and for investors, it can be challenging for anyone to separate hype from substance." Cardano took a patient and methodical approach to development before evolving into a reliable platform with intriguing advantages. Watch this space carefully, as it is unclear whether Cardano will ultimately gain control of Ethereum or if Danto, a dark horse in the cryptocurrency world, will succeed in doing so. But what do you think about this? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on Cardano Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.